Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have a case craft haul. So I had to get Case Crafts April release. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the release. I did do some samples so you can see how they look. Some others I haven't, but I do plan on making a video on those. So let's go ahead and get into the 80s. So let's look at this one. So this one here is the roller skate, and should I say I love this release. Look at that. So with this one, now because I bought this early, I only got the one side. I think Hannah was saying that she is going to make one with the two sides, but I have the single side, which is no biggie because I'll just get the other. You do get the back piece, and you do get the layering piece for the roller skate. Now if you're going to do a shaker, you use the back piece. And it's also come with the tires and the little spokes, so they go on top of that. Now this one I did do a sample, so I'll show you that. And I think these are the cutest thing ever. Look at that. So I made two little shakers with this. And this one I did pop up on foam, and this one I just used cardstock and cut it several times. And I did do the glitter cardstock, and I use a glitter for the spokes. But yeah, I love it. And then you can use this as a dangle because they do come with little keyholes on there. But love. So I love those ones. The next one I did make a sample for, and this is a caboodle. OMG, I used to have one back in the day. Now this one comes in 3 different sizes. So you do get the back piece, and then you get the layering piece for the bigger one. You get the same thing for the medium one. And then look at this little cutie. You get one for the small one. Now they also come with this set of dies. And this one's for the closure for the caboodle. And this is the little symbols of the caboodle. So you get them all for those sizes that it comes with. So let me show you the samples that I did. And this one I love. So I created a little simple one. So here's the first large caboodle. Now you can do a lot of stuff. You could pop it on foam, make it into a box, make it into a little treat bag. But look at that. How cute is that? Love it. I also made the medium one. Love. And then the small one. Look at that. Love it all. And then you can see the sizes between them. Look at that. How cute is that? Leave in the comments below if you had a caboodle yourself. I know I had, I believe, I want to say a blue one. But there goes those ones. Okay, now this ones are shadow words here. And what I do, I separate the words from the shadow background, and I keep the shadow background all together in one piece. I just run it at once. But let me show you the words, and I love the words. So we have like totally. Look at that. Love that. This one's bodacious. Look at that. That's rad. I think the only one that out of these words, well, one of the ones, I did use this one, talk to the hand. And of course, MTV, which was better back in the day. This one is sup. And then I got booyah. As if. Let me know in the comments below which of the words are your favorite, or which one is it you use if you're from the 80s. I like talk to the hand, MTV, as if, especially with the movie Clueless, and sup. I think that's like totally, I never really used booyah, not really, but yeah, love, love, love. Oh, my other favorite right here. This is the vintage TV, and it reminds me of the Jetsons. I love the Jetsons. So this one, you do get a layering piece, and then you get the I like to call the, well, no, let me rewind. This is your back piece here, your layering piece here, which is going to have the paper design, and this is a frame just to frame it up. All right, and then you also do get the two sizes of knobs on there. And let me show you what I made with this. Look at, check this out. I made a little vintage Care Bear shaker TV. Look at that. Love, love, love. So here you got your back piece, which is this one here. And then your layering piece is this one here. So if you wanted to put it on pattern paper, you can. And then here goes the little frame that goes around it. And then here goes your knobs. I did pop this foam to give it some more dimension. So you got the circular, and then you got the little turning knob. Now, if you're not from back in the day, like I am, you won't understand these knobs. But if you are, you know. But yeah, love, love, love. Now the next ones I did not make a sample, but do leave in a comment below if you want to see a sample. I just haven't had the chance to play with that yet, so let's go ahead and see what these are. Now this one is the lunch box. Oh my goodness. Memories. When I was a little girl, of course I had strawberry shortcake, lunchbox. Now this one comes in two different sizes, so you get the bigger, and then you do get the little smaller one, which is there. So same with this, you get the back piece, you get your little thermos, and with the thermos you do get a layering piece, and then you do get the layering piece for your lunch bell, and then you get a layering piece for the handle, and you got some other little extras there. But so cute, so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna play with these ones. The next one here, OMG, this is a little handheld game console. This is basically the Switch. So you get three different things here. You do get your outer piece, which is your back piece. You get layering pieces here. You even got sentiments. Look at that. So you got happy birthday, gamer girl, gamer boy. You do got your little knobs and your letters and your little extras to complete your handheld game. But look at that. That is so cool. But yeah, this is so cool. Love it. Can't wait to play with this one. Let me know in the comments which one would you like to see made up so I could do a tutorial on it. Now this one is a record box. So it's basically like a record player. You do got your back piece, you got layering pieces, you got pieces to connect your box, and then you even have records here, you have a pocket and that, and then you got some extras. You even got the little needle, forgot what that's called, but you even got that piece. So yeah, that is pretty awesome. The next one I have is the little radio. Well, it's not little actually. This one here is the radio one, and it is big. So this one, you come with your main radio, and you could turn this into a little totes, or even a box, a card, whatever your imagination can think of. But here goes your main radio, and then you do have the extras like the cassette. You got the cassette stuff here. You got some knobs. You even have the handle to layer, and then you got some extras there. But so cool. Love that. The next one in this release is this radio 3D card. This is this one. Now this one, you do have your back piece, and you got the layering pieces. You got your radio here, your records there. And then you do have your little outer piece here. You got layering, you got some extras. This is to create the pocket so you can stick everything on there. But yeah, this is a nice one. And it does have some sentiments also. Some extra notes on there. The little part of the record that goes there. But yeah, this is an awesome, awesome die. And I will put the links below for this, in case you want to go ahead and get it. I know she does sell her stuff on Amazon. It's a little more pricier, but I believe you get it. I don't know if you get it faster or not. I usually just buy it off of AliExpress. And then the last one, which is the best one I think, is the Trapper Keeper. This one I love, love, love. I started playing with this one. So that's why everything's all apart. But, so you get the back piece here. And this is the main piece. And you'll cut this twice. And for every paper, every insert that you want, you'll cut that also. This is a layering piece for your paper. So you can put a layering piece there. You do have your little closure, was right here. Now the thing with this one, you do have to cut your own binder and the connector for the closure, right? Here goes your pocket if you wanted to add it. And then you do get some extras. You even got the sentiment keeper. You get some triangles just to give it the 80s feel. You get the zigzag, like the almost like the lightning. Now this one here goes on the closure for that one. But yeah, pretty nice. Oh, and I found one more word. And the other word is fresh. So that is my case craft haul I want to share with you. And I love, love, love. So if there's any of these dies that you would love to see me put together, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have bought any of these dies, also leave in the comment below. And if you actually made something with them and want to share, leave that below, because I would love to see what you made out of it. But yeah, I will have all the links so that you could grab it if you want. I do also have a link, my link tree in the description. You go ahead and check that out. I do have all my discount codes, affiliate links in there. So if you want to save on some deals on places that I shop at, feel free to check that out. But yeah, make sure you like the video, leave a comment, because I do love to hear from all of you. Subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.